Good morning. I am Dr. Prasad. We all feel that tennis and golf are usually played by the rich people. So you can imagine the disbelief on the faces of our patients when we tell them that they are suffering from tennis elbow or golfer's elbow. They usually tell us that I don't even watch them on TV, leave alone playing them. How can I get tennis elbow or golfer's elbow? These fancy names are given to some painful conditions around the elbow joint. There are some muscles which are attached at the elbow joint which come down into our wrist and hands, and they are useful for the functions of the wrist and hands. Usually, if these functions are repetitive, say like in carpenters or in plumbers or in painters or even in our housewives or software professionals, that means all of us. So any one of us can get affected by these common conditions. Here, because of repeated loads, that is if you are repeatedly doing only a similar kind of activity, then there will be tiny tears at the origin of the muscle. That will lead to pain and inability to carry out our work. Usually, we see middle-aged housewives coming to us with a complaint that they are unable to cut vegetables or carry a rice cooker off the stove or putting on the stove. So this common complaint, when you examine, there will be tenderness at the outside of the elbow. That is called a tennis elbow, and if it is inside, that is a golfer's elbow. If it is severe, then it will be very difficult for us to take a coffee cup in our hands or even to shake hands. We'll find difficulty in opening the jars of bottles or some of the utensils which you use in the kitchen. So everyday life will become a problematic thing. So people get worried that there is something very wrong with their elbows. So this common condition can be clearly identified by their history and diagnosed easily by examination. So once you examine and make a diagnosis, then the treatment consists of giving rest to that joint. And if the person is a software professional using the mouse repeatedly, then he has to find a way of doing that without using the mouse. So rest is very, very important. Apart from rest, they have to put some ice at the site of severe pain, and you can have some topical gel applications, and if the pain is very severe, we may prescribe some analgesics also. With these things, usually the pain comes down, and there are some braces which can be of use. One of them is a elbow brace. This is something similar to our wrist brace, which can be worn at the elbow. So this is a elbow support. This gives some mechanical support. Apart from giving mechanical support, once you see that, you are reminded that you should be using your elbow sparingly. So that gives you a reminder that all is not well with your elbow and you should be careful about your elbow, using it, not lifting or doing any heavy stuff with that. If the pain is not relieved by these conservative methods, sometimes we may give some local steroid injection also. Even with that, in very severe cases, we may resort to surgery also. But that surgery is only for very, very few cases. So most of the cases can be treated by conservative management, by giving rest, by putting ice, and by giving some gel application topically, and once in a while taking a tablet for the pain. Yeah, this is another type of elbow brace which can be used. There is a Velcro strap here, so you can apply this here. This is a bit more heavier than the earlier elbow support. This is an elbow brace. There is one more which you can all use at home. Usually when you are sleeping, we don't know how our wrist will be. If the wrist is like in this position, there will be pressure and tension over the muscles around the elbow joint. Then immediately after waking up in the morning, you will have a severe pain in the elbow. So to reduce that, what we can do at home is tying this a household small scale which can be available in every home, and a plain handkerchief. These two things can help us get rid of this pain. Another contraption which all of us can do it at home and get relieved from the pain is tying a scale like this with a hanky, so that our wrist will be in a neutral position even when you are sleeping. So this will prevent the wrist from going into extremes of positions, putting these muscles on stretch, thereby leading to pain in the morning. So with a simple device like this, you can get relieved of this pain.